Sa Good Vibes, paano bala nag-a-adjust ang mga eskwelahan sa sining nga pandemic? Ano balang ila ginahimo aguto makapadayon sa pagtudlo sa mga estudyante bisan wala sila nagakit-anay sang mga manunudlo? May report si Nico Delfin.
Nagtugas ang dako nga kabudlayan sa tanan nga mga eskwelahan ang pagpatuman sang quarantine measures nga epekto sang COVID-19 pandemic. Tanan na maguhan, pero kinahanglan nga mag-adjust. Parehos na lamang sang kolehiyo San Agustin, Bacolod. Bangod hindi pa maka face-to-face ang mga estudyante kag manunudlo, ila nga gin-explore ang distance learning. Humalin sang nagligad nga tuig, ila ginhanas ang mga manunudlo para mangin epektibo ang online kag offline learning para sa mga estudyante.
Came into our life. Actually, everything was brought to us screeching halt, and all the things that we're very much familiar with. So we were really shocked of the things that have been thrown to us. But fortunately, as an Agustina institution, we really did our best to prepare our students as well as our teachers for the situation. So far, the Augustinian community, particularly Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod, was able to overcome all the difficulties that were brought about by COVID-19. Actually, most of our students really opted for online learning. But for those who opted for offline learning, so we provide them with learning packets. And those learning packets were distributed to the students, particularly in college.
Hindi lang mga manunudlo ang nagpaidalom sa mga webinars. Ang CSAB ang nagtukod man sang Parents Academy para mabuligan ang mga ginikanan sa pagtuytoy sa pagtuon sa mga kabataan sa idalom sang new normal.
We subscribe to a learning management system. No? For college, we subscribe to NEU LMS, and for the basic education department, we subscribe to Schoology. And then this learning management system, this is where we place all our notes, all our exams, all our assignments are being posted in the learning management system. Our teachers are really coming up with their own initiative, even though we do not tell them, but they are really coming up with initiatives so that they can also come up with ideas so that we can invite students to be with San Agustin.
Bangod sang pandemic, mas ginpabakod pagid nila ang ilang nga College of Health and Allied Professions. Para sa pamunuan sang eskwelahan, ginakinahanglan nga mapadayon ang paghatag sang dekalidad nga edukasyon sa mga kabataan bisan pa may pagpanghangkat dala sang pandemic.
CHED is also coming up with a policy that would give us a way of having a limited face-to-face classes. But actually, the requirements actually are very stringent in a way, because I know they're also thinking of the health of our students.
You mean sa tertiary?
And I hope we're going to survive. Everybody will survive this, and I do hope that everybody will be fully vaccinated so that we can have our face-to-face classes in the near future.
Pinaagi man sa bulig sang teknolohiya, nagapating Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod nga masarangan sa mga school community ang anuman nga pagpanghangkat sa sistema sang edukasyon. Nico Delfin para sa DG Cast Negros.